Okay, guys, so I'm just doing this. I thought I already had this for last year, but I can't find it. Anyway, this is just a pronunciation guide. And am I the right person to pronounce them? No, but I'm probably better than many people, so we'll go with that. Pinus. Why does that always make me giggle? Pinus canariensis, the Canary Island pine, is number 21. Pinus thunbergii, Japanese black pine. Plantinus hispanica. And I don't remember, I think you say cross hispanica, cross acerifolia. I don't know. You could also say X, and no one will know the better unless somebody out there knows the right way. Prunus ceracifera, the flowering plum. Quercus agrifolia, the coast live oak. Quercus lobata. I wanted to make sure that was agrifolia and not agrifola, but it is. It's what I thought it was. That's good. Valley oak is Quercus lobata. Cercia lancea, African sumac. Sequoia sempervirens, the coast redwood. I'm trying to remember, how far do I need to go? Sorry, hold on just a second. Up to 35. Nope, we're not that far. Okay. Cyragris, anybody's guess is for that one is good as mine. Romanzophiana. See how confident I am? Cyagrus romanzophiana. Is that what you mean? Aha. Trachycarpus fortunii. Abelia, Edward Goucher. Aleogine, I'm going to guess on that one. Hugelii. Anigazanthus, hybrids, kangaroo paw. Anisodontia, cross hypomandarum. I'm not sure that cross is really appropriate here. I think this means that it's like, it's a hybrid, I think. We'll have to look that up. Anyway, it's an Anisodontia. It's Cape Mallow. Aucuba japonica. I think that's as far as we need to go for this week. Okay.